How to buy your first share. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll learn how to purchase our first share for investing in the stock market. It is really crucial to understand the process of buying stocks. In this guide, we'll demonstrate how straightforward is it to acquire shares in a company with a detailed example. So let's commence by exploring the fundamentals of the stock trading. It is important to note that the terms like stocks, shares, and equities are essentially interchangeable. Public company shares are traded on stock exchanges, with some of the most well known ones being the Newark Stock Exchange NYSE, NASDAQ, and the London Stock Exchange LSE. A stock exchange serves as a public marketplace for shares where the buyers and sellers engage in transactions. When a buyer and seller reach an agreement on a price, a transaction is completed. This process is automated and can occur rapidly with numerous transactions taking per second for popular stocks. The prices displayed for a particular stock represent the current prices available for immediate transactions. To access a stock exchange, you require a stockbroker who executes trades on your behalf. Platforms like Trading 212 have revolutionized the commission free investing, making the process as seamless as online shopping. Gone are the days of cumbersome paperwork and outdated trading interfaces. Suppose you wish to purchase shares from one of the many companies available on Trading 212. Begin by downloading the app from the App Store and opening a free practice investment account. Within the app, you will find your available balance and a list of customizable shares. You can search for a specific stock, such as National Grid, view its live price, and decide on the number of the shares based on your investment amount and the stock's price. It is advisable to diversify your investments and not put all of your funds into a single stock. After selecting the desired number of the shares, review your order and confirm the purchases. Upon execution, you will receive a confirmation of the transaction and become a shareholder in the company. Trading with Trading 212 incurs no commission or fees, unlike other brokers. You can monitor your investments in the portfolio section, which provides an overview of your holdings and their values. Utilize a free practice account to gain confidence before investing real money. So, this was all about buying your first share without requiring a ton of paperwork. So, if you found this video to be helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And feel free to engage with us in the comment section. And also enable the notifications for updates on our new videos. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.